here today with Kevin Morgan, Director of Product Marketing at Adtran. Kevin, the demand for video is increasing. What's driving the need for more options in the access network?
Well, customers today are accessing the network in a wider variety of ways using a number of different devices over a lot of new access media. And that's causing our service provider customers to kind of re-examine how they're looking at access networks and develop solutions for that. With respect to rich media services, they've been traditionally delivered over the wireline and the wireless networks. And so with the advent of 3G and 4G and LTE and multi-screen video display units, this is causing an increased demand for access topologies. Adtran has been working with customers to triangulate and take care of all the ingress points in the network, whether it's a fiber or copper, fiber to the home or Ethernet or mobile backhaul. And the advantage that Adtran brings is that we're able to deliver these innovative solutions across an all IP Ethernet-based portfolio, which gives our service provider customers a way to kind of react very quickly and launch new revenue generating services.
How significant of an impact will video have on the access network?
And we've been talking about the impact of video for the past decade, but it really wasn't until broadband and fiber to the home began to get some legs and get deployed in the network that we saw some really cool innovations like over-the-top video with Netflix and with Apple iOS and the Google Android to display this video. Adtran leads the industry in 6 critical areas, including ultra broadband, fiber to the home, carrier Ethernet, mobile backhaul, services migration, as well as edge optical transport. And these are six crucial and key innovations and technologies that will allow customers to build out a foundation for rolling out video services in the future. And what that does is allows them to be able to quickly adapt and launch new revenue generating services. And when you get to the point that launching video services across networks, regardless of the size or scope of your serving area, when you can launch those video services reliably and effectively in a flexible environment, you're able to change the game.
Will video ever be a conventional carrier service, or will it remain an OTT service delivered by companies such as Hulu, Netflix, or YouTube?
You know, I think that's the question that a lot of carriers are struggling with to answer because they have to decide whether they're going to be driven into the capacity commodity type game and become a utility provider essentially, or they're going to reinvent their access network and take advantage of providing rich media, full tiered services like video to their customers. Adtran has the most complete and comprehensive line of access solutions on the market today, and we're able to provide some very good value when it comes to video delivery.
Kevin, tell us how you're seeing video as a game changer.
Well, I think video is the game changer for access services because when it comes to video, it's so important to get that service right in order to have an enjoyable entertainment experience, but the requirements for getting it right are very complex. Unlike data services that are not very sensitive to things like delay and jitter and packet loss, it's very crucial when it comes to video. I mean, imagine if you were watching the Game 6 of the World Series on your iPhone, and it's the bottom of the ninth, bases loaded, 2 outs, and the pitcher takes a wind up and throws a pitch, and all of a sudden your video service stutters, and you miss what was the only Grand Slam in World Series history to kind of give you a walk-off sense of excitement. Well, I mean, the people these days are expecting a lot more. Carriers are expected to deliver more. Adtran's here to help them deliver more and make that happen.
Kevin, thank you for joining us.
It's been my pleasure.